Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making shrimp in chili sauce, or Ebi Chili in Japanese. This is one of the most popular foods served at Chinese restaurants in Japan and cooked at home. These are the ingredients. You can find more information and complete recipe on our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Peel and remove the tail of the shrimp and devein. And sprinkle about 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch over the shrimp and rub together well, like that, and rinse out a few times. This process will remove the fishiness of shrimp and improve the texture of the meat. Remove moisture by patting dry with a paper towel. After you clean and dry the shrimp, pour sake, salt, and potato or cornstarch and let sit for 10 minutes. Mix ingredients of chili sauce in a medium bowl and set aside. Chop white part of the green onions, garlic, and ginger. In a frying pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook prepared shrimp until the color changes, turning up a couple of times, and remove the shrimp from the pan and set aside. In the same frying pan, add the rest of the oil and ginger, garlic, and onion, and cook at medium heat to be fragrant. Pour the chili sauce mixture and cook until the sauce gets slightly thicker. Add the shrimp and stir to coat the shrimp with the sauce and cook for about a minute. The sauce is simple but very flavorful. Ketchup adds sweetness and a little sourness to the dish, and you can adjust the heat by adding more or less chili paste. We are sure you will enjoy this spicy but not too spicy Japanese Chinese flavor.
美味しいね。